Hey lash lovers, this is Asako from Divine Lashes. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite recipe for a homemade lash serum that actually works. We're going to be working with natural ingredients that are not only effective, but also safe to use around the sensitive eye area. So let's get started. The key ingredients for a DIY lash growth serum includes castor oil, vitamin E oil, rosemary extract, and red clover extract. Castor oil will be the base of our concoction. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a monosaturated fatty acid known for its ability to promote hair growth and thickness. I recommend Rejuve Naturals. Their castor oil is cold-pressed, hexane-free, USDA certified, and organic. Plus, it comes in a glass bottle for better preservation and avoids chemical leaching. Next is the vitamin E oil, again from Rejuve Naturals. Vitamin E is a champion of fighting oxidative stress and boosting hair growth. This is a must-have in any DIY lash serum. Rosemary extract is known for its stimulating properties. Rosemary invigorates the lash base, encouraging growth and increasing lash density. I suggest Secrets of the Tribe. Their extract is alcohol-free, vegan, non-GMO, and third-party tested. And finally, we have our red clover extract. This is a recent addition to my formulation. Red clover extract is rich in biotin A, a potent phytonutrient that can reduce hair loss and stimulate growth. This is also from Secrets of the Tribe. Their rosemary extract meets the same high standards. I didn't include any essential oils in this recipe, but you can consider adding lavender and rosemary essential oils for their healing and nourishing properties. Now we're ready to mix all of the ingredients together. We're going to take a small clean bowl, add 2 tablespoons of castor oil, add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, add half a teaspoon of rosemary extract, and a half a teaspoon of red clover extract, and stirring it all together. While we're mixing this together, let's talk about the difference between essential oils and extracts. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant elements obtained through distillation or cold pressing, which requires dilution. On the other hand, extracts, like the ones that we're using, are created by soaking the plants in alcohol or glycerin, making them gentler and more suitable for the sensitive eye area. So if you're making your own DIY serum, extracts are a preferred choice. They're gentle and usually don't require any dilution, and they blend really well in solutions. So we're going to mix all of the ingredients really well and fill up our empty tubes. Here are the containers I purchased from Amazon. I got these set of empty tubes because they give you the option to use an eyeliner tip or mascara wand. It also comes with a small funnel, which I thought was very handy. I chose 2 different types because I wanted to show you the different ways you can apply it. This recipe will make more than 1 tube, so you can gift it to your friends. There's no need to keep the serum stored in the fridge, but since there's no preservatives in the recipe, I would suggest to change it every 2 months. And here's the finished product. Look at this beautiful golden amber color. It glides so well on the skin, yet not too sticky, and it feels super moisturizing. It has a sweet and mildly floral scent with notes of subtle herbal or grassy undertones. Now for the application. Apply the serum on a clean face. With the eyeliner tip, make sure to wipe off the excess and draw a thin line along the base of your lash line. When you just start using this serum, you can use it twice daily. With the mascara wand, apply onto the lashes directly, like as you would with a mascara. And there you have it, a simple yet effective DIY lash growth serum. Remember, quality and effectiveness are crucial when it comes to ingredients for the sensitive eye area. If you try this recipe, let me know how it works for you. See you next time. Bye.